Welcome everybody to our Green Acres. So glad you're here, and if you are new, my name is Teresa. Merry Christmas everybody. Today's video is probably going to be one of my favorites that I've ever created, because I'm going to take some items that I either got at a yard sale or some items that come from a dollar store or even items that were trash, and so these items are going to be free, and I'm going to show y'all how I turn them into some really cute Christmas decor. Hope y'all get lots of inspiration today, and I hope you enjoy the video, and I appreciate each and every one of y'all for coming on and watching. If you're not already following me on my home decor Facebook page, I'd love for you to go over and join it at Our Green Acres Home Decor and DIY Inspirations. Also, go over and follow me on Instagram. The first project I'm going to work on is going to be some $1 wood tags. I acquired these from a yard sale, and I got two of them, and they both had this J on them. And if I'd have got an O and a Y, I could have really done something, but anyway, with two J's, I ended up taking the J's off, and they were very easy to pry off. I just got a butter knife and pried them off real easily. So I'm just going to show you how we can turn these into some Victorian Santa tags that will look really good with our decor during Christmas. I printed out some Victorian Santas off of the Graphics Fairy website. These are free printables, and they have so many to choose from, so it's hard to decide which ones I wanted to go with, but I chose these. I just cut each one out, and then I used some Mod Podge and applied them to the tags. Project number 2 is going to be some vintage inspired cans. Now I used some coffee cans, but you can use any kind of cans you want to. I chalk painted them linen white, and then I'm going to show you how we're going to distress them with some used coffee grinds just to give them that vintage worn look. So basically I just took my coffee grinds left over from that morning, and you just want to take them and just rub them all over your can. Then I got a paper towel and just brushed them off. Now I did one can pretty distressed, and the other one I just lightly distressed it, just to give you a couple of options and how they look both ways. Now I went back out to the Graphics Fairy again, and I downloaded this graphic, and I'm going to cut it in half. Then I'm going to go around the edges and barely dampen around the edges and just rip it to give it that worn, torn look. And then I applied them to the can using some Mod Podge. Now next we're going to do some wood slice Victorian Santa. Again, a free printable from the Graphics Fairy, and these are the wood slices I got from Arteza. I will leave a link to Arteza's website down below if you're interested, and then I just use some Mod Podge to apply the Santa. Next project is going to be some rustic stick trees. These are so easy, and some of these are going to be free. Of course, your sticks are free if you have, trees in your yard. I just went outside and got some sticks. You just basically break them, and then, you just shape them in the shape of a tree. And then once you get them in the shape you want, then I just hot glued them onto my backgrounds. The first background I showed you come from Walmart out of the craft section. It was between $2 to $3, very inexpensive. And it comes this whitewash color, so you don't even have to paint it. And I'm just showing you a couple of different options of embellishments. You can use some fur on this one just to give it more of a rustic feel. And the little bark I used, or the trunk of the tree, I just used some little tags I got at Walmart last year. And this is some flat back pearls that I'm going to apply to it that I got at Dollar General for $1. If you're liking this video so far, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps out our channel. And also, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, we'd love for you to join our YouTube family. I'm going to show you another way we can create that background. If you don't, have access to Walmart or don't want to go out, this is a pizza cardboard pizza round that I saved from our frozen pizza from the other night's dinner. Don't throw those away. I just went over it with one layer of chalk paint very lightly, and as you can see, and I've always told y'all, cardboard chalk paints very well. And you can see, it looks like that distressed look, and you can compare them to the two when I stage everything and put the two together with the Walmart background and then your pizza round. And then again, I just broke up my sticks and I shaped me a tree, used some hot glue, and then I'm going to attach them to the pizza round and add some embellishments.
This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday.
I hope you're enjoying the video so far. And if you watched any of my videos in the past, you know that I love to show you how you can make cute decor for your home without spending a lot of money. So I'm giving you several options here of things, like I say, that could be things that we would normally throw in the trash and how we can recreate them to make some really cute Christmas decor. And these projects all were so much fun to make. I think the coffee cans turned out so cute, and there's so many things you can do with these. You can put your kitchen utensils in them, you can pair them, more out on a tray. These little candy canes I stuck in there, and I really think they just added a bright note to it, and I picked those up at Dollar General for 33 cents.
And it is cold outside. We gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to
I really hope y'all enjoyed today's video and enjoyed seeing the ways that I recreated, some things that I had around my home. And I hope y'all will try some of these things too. They're a lot of fun to make. I want to wish each and every one of y'all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to 2021. So y'all, as always, I love y'all and thanks so much for watching, and thanks so much for all your sweet comments and support through the year.